Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a little bit of collaging because I've been really into it lately and we're gonna see what we can make. I don't know, I've only done two, so maybe not really into it, but I thought it would be fun to do one together. This is the first one I did. It's kind of like a naturey green theme. And then I also made this one, which is more of like an Arctic theme. And I have a few magazines and things here, so we're just gonna kind of flip through them and make a collage. So one of the things that I actually love that I've been doing on these collages is I put like a little Bible verse that kind of matches the vibes. And like this one, I put this Bible verse to sort of match the vibes. But maybe we'll start with the Bible verse on this one and build from there. I have this little devotional thing that has Bible verses on the top of each one. And this is where I got the Bible verse for this first collage that I made. So I think the one I want to use is this one. It says, "Anxiety weighs down the heart, but a kind word cheers it up," from Proverbs 12:25. And I think maybe we'll make kind of like a word collage and just put like a bunch of like inspirational words and maybe put the Bible verse in the center. I don't know. That's where I'm leaning so far. We're just looking for potentials right now. And then we'll get to cutting once I find some that I like. I'm honestly not seeing a lot. Might have to start reading the small words. Maybe like this, living from the heart. Okay, we gotta keep searching. I have some Bass Pro Shops Christmas guides, so maybe there'll be some inspiration in here. Guys, this is so cute. Having more fun looking at the magazine than looking for words. Okay, I'm determined to find something, you guys. There's gotta be something. Like, come on now. Oh, maybe dreaming? All smiles, that's a for sure. This one's doing better. I think like I could use maybe like extraordinary. Or like this one, beauty and elegance, exceptional. Can tell I used this one already. Okay, this Virginia book, I bookmarked a lot of things. So we're gonna start cutting. And I also feel like to make the verse stand out, I need like a big bold background or circle or something so that it's like in the middle and stands out, and then all of this is like around it, you know? But I kind of want it to be like this, right? But then I need a lot more. That. And then like this is in the middle with a border. Oh, what if I make it a heart and then I fit the words into the heart? That could be cute. Maybe if I draw a heart like that. And this can still need a border maybe. And then I'll try to like curve and fit these all into the heart. I think that's gonna be the plan. But maybe I can find some smaller words to fill in like these little gaps that I'm gonna have. And then there's more variety in size too. I think I'm liking that. Let me get some more words. So this is as far as I got at the moment. I have to put a pause on this project, but I feel like I need another like big one for here, this gap. I don't know what to put on this one. Maybe I put one sideways. I didn't think of that. But I have a couple of random gaps, and so maybe also I put like a colored background, so then maybe some of these little gaps don't matter as much. I don't know, but this is where we're at so far. I'm liking it so far. I'll be back to finish soon. Okay, so I laid it all out, but now I'm thinking, do I like make a border or do I put a background? Also, this is gonna be so hard to glue down. So let's see what happens. Okay, now that I glued most of it down except for a couple, I feel like I have some awkward gaps. Like I have this fantastic and loyal, but like I feel like I could use a long skinny one here and maybe like put one of these here. And then I need some like short ones for over here, or maybe the loyal can go over here and something else. But I did okay. I might trim some of these edges and then maybe I'll just fill in the heart with like red just on the edges where there's like awkward gaps. So I might look for a couple more words for that last little bit and then I'm almost done. Is the final product. Can't decide if I want to add anything in the open space here, but I kind of like that it's just a centered design. But here is it all put together. I really think the pink background heart really brought it all together and kind of filled in all the empty space. And I like that it kind of overlaps a little. I was originally going to try to keep it in the lines, but I kind of like that they stick out a little. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, and I'll see you for more collages.